English shorthand 100 words per minute. Legal dictation. Ready? Start.
The original appellant was initially taken to Sion Hospital and thereafter shifted to P.D. Hinduja Hospital for a period of almost 5.5 months. In 2000, again he was admitted for the injuries arising on account of the aforesaid accident. The hospital expenses have been reimbursed to the original appellant by his employer. However, even post discharge from Hinduja Hospital from 1998 till the date he passed away, he was bedridden and had to be attended by a nurse and was on a special diet. The original appellant made an application under section 166 of the MV Act seeking compensation of rupees 1 crore, which was subsequently raised to rupees 10 crores. The tribunal recorded the evidence of the original appellant, driver of the Maruti car, who also happened to be the friend of original appellant, driver of ST bus, etc., and computed following compensation but did not grant the same, since the tribunal gave a finding that neither the driver of the car nor the driver of the ST bus was negligent, but the accident occurred on account of an act of God. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid order of the tribunal, the original appellant challenged the order by filing an appeal to this court under section 173 of the MV Act. The appellant in the present appeal has passed for compensation of rupees 10 crores. We have heard the learned counsel for the appellant and respondent number 3, insurance company, and with their assistance have perused the petition and the records of the tribunal. Although respondent number 1 was earlier represented by the advocate but has subsequently chosen not to attend. The last appearance of respondent number 1 was on 8th December 2023. Thereafter, the appeal was listed on 19th January 2024, 29th January 2024, 20th February 2024, but there was no appearance of respondent number 1 on 28th February 2024. Respondent number 1 appeared. Thereafter, on 14th March 2024, 18th March 2024, 20th March 2024 and 21st March 2024 again, there was no appearance of respondent number 1. We therefore propose to proceed with the appeal in the absence of respondent number 1, who has chosen not to attend. The following points arise for our determination. We now propose to deal with each of the aforesaid points hereinafter. Points for determination whether the tribunal was justified in coming to a conclusion that the accident occurred due to an act of God, and the tribunal was justified in not awarding any compensation. The tribunal in paragraph 47 came to a conclusion that neither the car driver or the bus driver was negligent, and therefore, by process of elimination, the tribunal comes to a conclusion that the accident occurred due to an act of God. Stop. In our view, the finding and reasoning are erroneous. Stop. Admittedly, there was head-on collision between ST bus and Maruti car, both being driven by respective drivers. Stop. Admittedly, when two cars driven by drivers collides against each other, it cannot said that neither or either of them was negligent. Stop. The negligence has to be on the part of one or both the drivers. Stop. Therefore, the reasoning adopted by the tribunal cannot be sustained. Stop. An act of God would mean something which is not in the control of the human being. Stop. Whereas in the present case, there has been admittedly head-off collision between two vehicles driven by the drivers when there is no averment on weather being foggy or otherwise, and therefore it cannot be a case of an act of God, and the principle